Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best leather sewing awl is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any leatherworker, from seasoned professionals crafting intricate designs to enthusiastic beginners taking their first steps in this rewarding craft. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect awl to meet your specific needs and budget, ensuring you have the right tool to bring your leather projects to life. Number 5. MORFEN Leather Sewing Kit. This kit has everything you need to tackle any leather repair. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike. The needles are durable and won't fray easily, ensuring long-lasting use. The waxed thread is smooth and easy to work with. It includes a variety of needles in different sizes and shapes, suitable for various projects and materials. The thread glides smoothly through the leather, making the sewing process quick and easy, regardless of your skill level. Repair your favorite leather goods, or create your own unique leather crafts. It's ideal for upholstery, shoes, and more. This kit is a comprehensive solution for all your leather sewing needs. It's portable and convenient for both home and travel use. What we like. This kit has everything you need to get started, including needles, thread, and an awl. It's made with durable, high-quality materials that will last. If you're a beginner or just need a convenient kit for travel, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Provides all the essentials for those beginners to leather crafts. Love the compact size. Don't let the size fool you though, the kit is loaded with lots of sewing essentials to get your project done. Good quality items inside and a variety of needle sizes too. High quality. Multiple instruments which allow for all types of repairs. Many colored threads of different sizes. All in all, an excellent collection for different types of repairs. Nice storage case. Number 4. Speedy Stitcher 1125. This handy tool makes sewing heavy materials a breeze. It's perfect for quick repairs or crafting on the go. With it, you can easily sew through tough fabrics. Say goodbye to frustrating hand sewing struggles. It comes complete with a sewing awl, straight and curved needles, and thread, everything you need to get started. The comfortable wooden handle makes it easy to use for extended periods. Your hands will thank you. It's great for home use, camping, farm work, and countless other applications. It's the ultimate all-purpose sewing tool. Watch how easily it handles various materials. See for yourself how much time and effort it saves. What we like. This awl is designed for speed and efficiency when sewing heavy materials. Its sturdy wood handle provides comfort and control. If you need to quickly repair heavy-duty items, this awl is your best bet. What people say. The quality of the new one is 90% as good as the original, with some of the metal parts simply being a smidgen lighter weight, but which I believe will last just fine. It withstands the crazy play time of my 2 labs. The awl-like form is great because you can pull it against your stomach or push against a table, whatever you need to do to get the force needed. And the needle stays in your control so you don't get stabbed or scratched. Number 3. Speedy Stitcher Sewing Kit. It's the ultimate hand sewing tool for quick repairs. This kit is perfect for any emergency situation. It easily handles tough materials like canvas, leather, and even sails. No job is too big for it. You get the Speedy Stitcher awl, for needles, 2 straight and 2 curved, and a generous 180-yard spool of thread. It's a must-have for repairing straps, bags, tents, and more. Always be prepared for unexpected repairs. It's crafted from the highest quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Made in the USA. From backpacks to saddles, it's the perfect tool for all your stitching needs. Get yours today. What we like. This kit is perfect for tackling tough sewing jobs and includes a generous amount of thread. It's ideal for emergency repairs on the go. If you need a reliable tool for unexpected repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. The wood used is beautiful, I believe hickory, and the steel is very hard. It comes with 4 needles and large spool of thread. The thread is nice and thick and seems almost unbreakable. It is cheap, simple, and was able to repair my thick leather gloves. I also used it to restitch the cuff on my leather welding jacket. The thread is waxed to go through material more easily, and it is thick enough to be quite strong and not wear out quickly. This product is designed to last a lifetime or more. Number 2. Speedy Stitcher Sewing Awl. This awl is a must-have for any sewing enthusiast. It's built to last and will make your sewing projects easier. We only use the finest materials in its construction. This ensures superior performance and durability. It's designed to withstand daily use. You can rely on it to get the job done efficiently. This awl is made right here in the United States, supporting American craftsmanship. You'll appreciate the quality and attention to detail. Cleaning it is simple, just hand wash it. Keep it in top condition for years to come. It's ideal for various sporting goods repairs. Its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go repairs. What we like. This awl is built to last with high-quality materials and American craftsmanship. Its durability makes it a worthwhile investment. If you value quality and longevity, this is the awl for you. What people say. The awl sews very well. The quality is great, the wooden handle sits well in the hand and the needles are sturdy and very sharp. It has 2 needles and the thread. The stitching results I achieved with this tool are nothing short of impressive. The Speedy Stitcher Sewing Awl creates strong and durable stitches, ensuring that my leather items are built to last. The needles are impressively sharp and the line is very heavy duty. It works great for thick/substantial materials like rope and leather. Number 1. Canvas Leather Sewing Awl Set. This comprehensive kit includes 6 durable sewing awls and 2 convenient copper handles, perfect for a variety of sewing tasks. Switching needles is a breeze. Simply twist the handle to replace them, no extra tools needed. The brass handles are comfortable and long-lasting, while the metal needles are resistant to rust and deformation, ensuring years of reliable use. From repairing shoes and crafting leather goods to mending tents and bags, these awls are incredibly versatile and will become your go-to tools. These lightweight awls are easy to store and transport. Keep them together for easy access when you need them. Remember, these tools have sharp points, so keep them out of reach of children. What we like. This set offers variety with multiple awls and easy-to-change copper handles. The different styles will suit various sewing needs. If you need a versatile set for different projects, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Worked well, handle is sturdy and easy to hold. They work well and for the price they're great. The handles are kind of small but they hold the awl tips well and the awls are strong and work well. Great workmanship. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.